the state of Texas versus Paris Ross, present with his attorney, Mr. Adams, and the state's attorney. Does the defendant waive formal readings of these indictments? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, sir.
In summary, each of these indictments, sir, allege similarly that on or about October 19th, 2023, in Jefferson County, Texas, it is alleged in 25 CR 381, you committed the second degree felony of fraudulent possession or use of credit or debit cards. And in 25 CR 382, it is alleged you committed the third degree felony of forgery of a financial instrument purporting to be a U.S. Treasury note being purportedly a $100 bill, which was a forged instrument. Do you understand what you're charged with in each of these cases, sir?
Yes, sir.
In 381, you're facing a second degree felony, which means you're looking at no less than 2, no more than 20 years confinement in prison, and a fine up to $10,000 can be assessed. And in 25 CR 382, it's the third degree felony of forgery of a financial instrument. You are facing no less than 2, nor more than 10 years confinement in prison, and a fine up to $10,000 can be assessed. Missed that one there. You think you're checking a box, and the way this thing works sometimes, it goes to another box that you didn't intend to check.
That is true.
An agreement's been reached, whatever sentence shall not exceed a cap of 4 years in prison on each of these cases to run concurrent.
Yes, sir. And dismissal.
Which mean and a misdemeanor, illegal possession of controlled substance, would be dismissed. So we are looking at then options of no less than 2, nor more than 4 years confinement in prison. You could be placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation for up to 10 years. You could be sentenced to no less than 2, nor more than 4 years confinement in prison. And that could be suspended, and you could be placed on regular probation for up to 10 years on probation. I think those are all our 3 options. If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand? In each case.
Yes, sir.
How do you plead in each of these cases? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
What do you say?
He said guilty.
Are you pleading guilty voluntarily? That is, on your own free will, and because you are guilty in each of these cases, sir. I show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1 in each case. Did you sign those documents voluntarily, understand them, discuss them with your attorney? Are the contents all true and correct? State's Exhibit 1 in each case tendered into evidence without objection?
No objection.
Admitted. Among other things, this states that you are mentally competent to enter your guilty pleas. They are freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictments have been read to you. You've read them. You were guilty of the crime charged and any lesser included offenses. You are giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. Totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All of this is true. It states in each case, so help you God. State's Exhibit 1 in each case is made a part of the record without objection. State and defense?
Correct. Correct. Yes, sir.
Oh. What we're going to do is order a pre-sentence report. I'm going to ask you to please, or direct you to please see the probation office to begin that now. And then what we will do is all parties will have a chance to add any additional information. We're going to return back for sentencing on
January 20th.
January 20th, 2026.
Is that,
And then the court will hear arguments and make the decision in each case. Do you understand what has happened today, Mr. Ross?
yes, sir.
Okay, please see the probation officer. Thank you.
Judge, I just need him to sign a resetting form.
Sign this first. She's the boss. Sign that resetting on is January 20th good?
I was trying to, honestly, Judge, I borrowed 1,500 just to come down here. Like, I'm kind of late on my rent. I literally need, I'm not trying to be funny. I'll be here whatever date y'all set. Like, I just need a
You need a
little
bit more time.
to like,
Can you give him February?
I literally need a little more.
I'm going to set it for January 20th. Call me back on something y'all can decide on that's close to that and that the state and y'all can agree on, then I'll work with. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. But we're going to set it on a date certain. Then I'll change it if everybody can agree on something at a later time. Okay. Y'all talk about it.
Yes, sir. All right.
It's changeable.
That's not a problem.
Yeah.
So,
But yeah, we got to do a sentence. We got to do it. We have to have a pre-sentence report, and that takes some time. We can't do it in a minute or an hour. It takes some time for everybody to be heard. Then they got to prepare it in writing. Then it's sent to everybody to see, and then come back together, and then each party gets to be heard on their thoughts and additions or changes to it.
yes, sir.
But that's a soft date.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but it's going to be close to that date.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just let us know, and then everybody can make arrangements. We're going to do it early next year. No, postpone it long. Please, get the resetting. Thank you, and keep up with